What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell, I got a new camera. I actually have a screen now that I can see myself in, so should be a little bit better now. But we're headed over to my dad's house. Gonna work on the car a little bit. I think we're gonna throw these batteries in, see what the difference is, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. So let's get to it. All right, guys. This is before we change the batteries. All right, go ahead. You can tell they're extra weak. It ain't even getting off the ground. But alright, well, let's get to changing them. Alright, guys, the new batteries are in. My dad's finishing wiring them up right now, and then we're gonna try them out. Yeah, go ahead. And this is with the new batteries. Looks like it's good. Nope. Does it feel different? Hop it. What are they at, 800s?
Yeah, I'm assuming they're 800, so I'm gonna go at 800. I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Replace battery. 341.
It'd say recharge, wouldn't it, if it's still good?
Mm-hmm.
So it had one bad battery. This will make you go all the way down again?
Regular? No.
Oh.
It stays on there. Good battery.
Good battery?
Replace battery, 607.
Okay.
I mean, they're not good. It's charged.
We'll put them on the charger.
Yeah, charged. That one right there might be bad. That one should be something.
Good battery.
This one says 604 too. That's the same one the other one said.
But this one says good.
I know. Why is that one so bad?
Might have a bad cell or something.
$581.
Replace battery.
Did you have any good batteries in this car? Good battery.
Good battery.
So you had
Three good, three bad. That's crazy. Alright guys, before I wrap up this video, let me show y'all the batteries one more time. I'm just happy they're all matching now and they're all working. I didn't even know 3 of mine were bad. But like I said earlier, we gotta finish cleaning up all this wiring. You see how this one's already heat shrink? That's how we're gonna do all the rest of them. And we gotta clean up all these wires down here. And we still gotta install the ADEL and the bigger gears, but that'll be for a future video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But that's it for this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.